topwater bat right there. Let's see if we can catch a fish on it.
There's one. Oh my god, he lit that up. That was sick. Got him right next to the bank. They got him, got him.
Get fish of the day. Not a bad one. What a beautiful fish. Swims right off. Boom. Well, what's going on, guys? And welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be doing clearly some fishing. Right now it is, what time is it right now? Right now it is 7:37 in the morning. We are here in the suburbs of Chicago. You guys know how we roll. And it is currently raining right here. There's water on the outside, if you couldn't tell. It's currently raining. I think it's raining right now, yeah? Here's a plan for today. So as you can tell, hopefully by the time of this video, in the back here, tied up to my rod, I have a topwater bat tied on. And I actually filmed a video with this, I think 2 years ago, and I actually caught a really nice pike on it, and it worked. But now today, here's the thing, I'm gonna be using it for bass, but we got rain in the area. I'm going to a pond that's probably about 25 minutes away, so hopefully we'll get there around 8 o'clock or so. I'm hoping with this rain, you know, it's coming in and out, it's gonna be hitting, it's gonna be missing, you know what I mean? The pressure's in the air, like it's there. And I'm hoping these bass are gonna be going absolutely crazy. Now, I don't know if it's gonna downpour on me. I really hope not, but that's a risk we're gonna take with going out today. But you guys know I got my bone dry rain jacket here, so we are totally prepared for anything. Yeah, I'm really excited, hoping to get out for a few hours today. I only have time for a morning bite today, and so I want to get out. I want to throw this topwater back because it's super unique, and I would like to show you guys how it works. Like the action on this thing is like a jitterbug, and it looks super cool. I'm not gonna get too much into it. I want to drive there, I want to get there, I want to start fishing. But thank you guys so much for tuning in today's episode. If you guys are new here, hit that subscribe button down below. We are currently at like 10,100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all your recent love and support. And I'm gonna put this camera down. We're gonna start driving. I'm gonna start sipping some coffee to wake up here, and let's catch some fish. Rain actually just stopped, but I know it's gonna be coming in soon. So I got the rain jacket on. We're gonna set up the big camera, try to get some awesome, try to cover all this, try to get some cool footage of me setting some hooks if we can get it in a topwater bite here. So let's see what we can do here. We're posted up, and we're gonna try to catch some fish, boys. Let's do it. They got him. Come on, stay on. Come on, dude, you lit that thing up. Come on, stay on. Not even that big, I just want to get him in. Let's go. First fish of the day on the bat. I actually changed the way I was reeling that in. I was reeling it in constant the whole time, and that one I changed to more of like a popper type of thing. And he slammed it on the pause. Let's go. So this right here is the first bass of the day on the topwater bat. So interesting lure. It works pretty well, but I slowed this presentation down on this cast specifically and worked it like a popper. Let it pause, popped it twice, and then he slammed it. But nonetheless, it got the job done. Fish number 1 on the day. We're gonna put her back and try to get some more while it's still early. It's always important to put the fish back, let them swim with you before, they go off, make sure they're ready to go. And what a beautiful fish, man. Start the morning off. Boom, there she goes, bam! So in conclusion, does the topwater bat work? Yes, it does, in fact. We're gonna try to catch some more fish. We're just going down this bank. Might move back that way, but I'm changing the presentation the way I was working that. I was just doing a steady retrieve, got like that blow up on the shore over there, but nothing really much after that. But then I literally slowed it down, started popping it, pausing it, and that triggered that one. So when you're throwing topwater, definitely switch up your presentation a little bit, because different fish are gonna hit it. So that worked out, and we're gonna try to catch some more. Let's do it. There's one on the bat. Let's go. Come on, stay on. Actually doesn't feel that bad either. Actually, he's kind of small. Oh, come on, stay on. He's barely hooked, dude. He's barely hooked. Come on. He's just swimming with me, though. My goodness. Should I get him up here? Let's go, baby. Second one on the bat. Dude, barely hooked. Actually, I guess got 2 in there, but not by much. Not a bad fish at all. Probably like a 2-pounder. Let's go. Fish number 2 on the day. Like I said, barely hooked. Just doing a different presentation like usual. I was doing a mix of popping it and walking it. And that's the beauty about the bat, because you can pop it, you can walk it, and change up presentations. Like I said, will trigger some bites if it is slow like it is today. Even though I have 2 fish, I've had about 4
Blowups or so. This right here is the second fish of the day. Not a bad one whatsoever on the Topwater bat. This one blew up on it nicely and he was barely hooked. I'm super glad I got him in, but hey, the bat works. Check this lure out, man. I mean, I'm not sponsored to say this, but definitely an interesting type of lure. You can work it with multiple presentations, which I like, and it catches fish, so let's put her back. All right, bringing her down here. Sun's coming out to play a little bit. I haven't even really gotten rained on, and I have my rain jacket on still, but so the rain might be missing us here. What a beautiful fish. She swims right off. Boom. Got him right next to the bank. Get him. Let's go. Fish number 3. Oh my gosh. That was no joke. Literally on the bank. That was so sick, dude. Let's go. Not a bad one too. Probably the smallest one of the day, but probably just over a pound, but not too bad. So this right here is fish number 3 on the day. Really small guy, but nonetheless, that one hit right next to the bank, dude. It honestly caught me so off guard. And I'm having such late reactions to all these blowups, if you can't tell, because I'm just so tired, dude. And like everything just hit me like a second later because it is kind of early, but nonetheless, another fish on the bat, dude. This thing's pretty good. That was right next to the bank. That was really exciting. Third fish of the day, and third fish in like 5 minutes, or second fish in like 5 minutes, so not a bad one. And let's put her back. All right, always important to put them back, boys. That's what you want to do. Take care of these fish. Let them grow. Let them go. Let them grow. That one's gonna be a 10-pounder in like 10 years. All right, we're gonna keep working this bank, try to catch some more fish. Let's do it. Oh my god. Jeez. Okay, I set the hook way too quick on that, guys. You gotta wait a second for the fish to swallow that. Oh my gosh, he annihilated that thing. So definitely don't do what I did right there. Right when I saw the blow up, I just ripped the hook. Don't wanna do that, guys. And that's how I missed 2 fish earlier, because I was getting too antsy with it. I was setting the hook way too early, not giving those fish a time to come down with the bait, which you wanna do. And what I did properly with a few of the other fish I caught, when that fish blows up on it, it's hard, but you gotta wait like a second for him to really get that, and then you set the hook. That one was really premature. He blew it up and I just tried to rip it, and that was stupid, and that's how you're gonna lose fish. So don't do what I did there. Be smart, and then you'll land some more fish. But wow, what a blow up. There's one. Oh my god, he lit that up. That was sick. Stay on. Don't think he's that big. He's not hooked very well though. Oh god, he's jumping. Swing him in. Let's go. Fish number 4 on the Topwater bat. That was a sick explosion, dude. Not bad at all. Let me get him here without getting hooked. Gotta be careful. There's a lot of hooks on the bat. So that is fish number 4 today. We're gonna keep the big camera away because we already got about 3 other fish on the big camera, but about the same size as the other ones. This one actually had both hooks, both trebles in the mouth, so he wasn't going anywhere. But nonetheless, pretty little fish. Awesome blow up. Great fight, and he's actually ready to go. So you probably won't be swimming with him for long here. Boom, there she goes. Oh, let's go. Come on, baby. Deja vu, exactly where we started. We gotta trigger at least one more, dude. That's what I'm thinking. I think we can trigger one more. Yeah, I mean, I think we'll get at least one. Oh my god. I said I think we'll get one more blow up right there at the bank. Oh my gosh. That caught me off guard. Who's honking? Like I said, I was like, I think we get one more bite, and that's the smallest one of the day, but he wanted the bat. Check that out. We won't bring out the big camera for this guy. We're gonna put him back here, but wow, that caught me really off guard, but not a bad fish at all. Well, I said I wanted one more, got one more right next to the bank. This guy should be ready to go. We'll hoist her down here. She's gonna be a beauty someday. Boom, there she goes. Bam! That was electric. That was crazy. I was like, yeah, I think we'll get one. I think we need to get one more right at the bank. I didn't even like set the hook, I'm gonna be honest. That's the only good thing. I guess this thing does have a lot of hooks, and that caught me so off guard. Oh my gosh.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and it was a pretty fun morning. It's almost like 10 o'clock now, so I've been here for a few hours, and I was kind of worried at first. You know, I was hitting like this first bank right here, and I got like, well, I lost one, got like a bite, and I caught one, and I was like, dude, I was like, Topwater bite's not on. I'm like, I'm not doing this. This isn't good. Then I cruised another bank, which I usually don't fish that often, and a bunch of them were, you guys saw, a bunch were cranking out. I was getting blow ups. I messed a lot up, so don't listen to me on most of my stuff I'm talking about here, but I did catch a few and it was a really fun video. And my overall opinion on the lure, I guess, like out of 10, I'd probably give it like a 7. I would, like, if I showed up to a pond like this, I'd probably just throw a popper or a whopper plopper or like some type of frog. I wouldn't like, oh, I'm gonna crank out the bat. The thing I love about the bat though is that you can give it a kind of popper presentation, or you can give it like a jitterbug presentation. Like if you reel it in, you can start moving like a jitterbug. You stop it, you could pop it. It's gonna push water, it makes noises. So I really like that. I started to catch fish once I changed up my presentation of reeling it in and popping it and whatnot. But overall, pretty fun morning. Oh, I love water. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys did enjoy this one, hit that link. Hit the subscribe button down below. Subscribe for more. I can't even, like, I'm saying the wrong words right now because I am still pretty tired. So I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna edit this, but overall it was a really fun morning. So thanks for sticking in, guys. We didn't catch anything big. I know there's a few oh god, we didn't catch anything big, but I know there's a few big fish in this pond. I've seen them before, but this is one of those ponds where like it's all numbers, which is why it's really fun to get out there and just get some blowups, whether it's big or small. You know, it's still super exciting. I'm rambling here, so I'm gonna stop, but thank you so much for watching today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.